Welcome to What We Want, a technology blog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best alternatives of Udemy. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. What is Udemy? Udemy is an online learning portal that aims to provide digital courses to professionals and students. The main motive of this site is to help you add additional skills to your resume. Courses on a broad range of topics are available on this site, which are designed by industry-level experts. Both free and paid courses are available in this site. Each course has been designed for a particular targeted audience whose level varies from beginner to advanced. You can learn to code, work on machines, and design software on your own after learning from Udemy. Why Udemy Competitors? After having a plenty of features in the Udemy, many people are looking for Udemy alternatives. In reality, there are no competitors to Udemy in providing the best courses at lowest prices. Moreover, it occasionally runs promotional offers. Check description for promotional offer link. The only reason for choosing Udemy alternatives is they may found it difficult to understand the concepts explained by tutors. Now, let's get into the list of Udemy competitors. Number 1, BitDegree. BitDegree is one of the best Udemy competitor. It is the world's first blockchain-based online learning platform. Same as Udemy, BitDegree gives high-quality courses for very fewer prices. They have hundreds of courses in almost every field like game developer, iOS app developer, Android app developer, web developer, digital marketing, machine learning, and more. They will provide you blockchain-based global, micro scholarships through which you can get financial support. You can even earn BitDegree tokens that can be used to learn another course. For our viewers, we provided a special discount link in the description. Number 2, Lynda Academy. Lynda Academy is one of the best competitors to Udemy. It provides all the trending topics and courses in every aspect. Lynda Academy provides its courses at less price compared to Udemy. The popular courses available in the Lynda Academy are business, photography, code, cooking, beauty, and design. You can get lifetime access to any course with high-quality e-learning study materials. This comes with innovative learning techniques with advances assessments, video lectures. Moreover, after the successful completion of any course, you will be awarded a certificate from their website. Number 3, SkillShare. SkillShare is probably amongst the most creative alternatives to Udemy. Here, you learn about the things by doing them yourself. SkillShare provides courses in creative fields like marketing, photography, and fine arts, and more. Notable personalities like fashion designer, March Echo, and social media expert, Gary Vaynerchuk, are part of the teaching panel. Some of the courses are available for free, but for the rest, you have to pay on monthly or annual basis. Use the link provided in the description to use SkillShare free for 2 months. Number 4, Simplilearn. Simplilearn is the largest online platform that provides professional certification courses. It is basically designed for workers and employees, but not for students. You can get any course on demand, if you haven't found the required course. This is the world's #1 online bootcamp with a lot of advanced careers and 1,500 plus live classes every month. This is also available in the form of a mobile application which is available for free to download. Though it does not have as many courses as Udemy. They offer courses recognized by top accreditation bodies. Number 5, Coursera. Coursera may not have as many courses and learning materials as Udemy. But all its courses are designed and taught by qualified professionals of top universities. This makes a huge difference to many and as such can be easily preferred over Udemy as well. Most of the courses are available for free, but some may need to be purchased by you to study. You will get certified after the successful completion of course. Coursera provides an opportunity to use all the courses for free, by creating an account under your educational institution. Number 6, QuickStart. QuickStart is basically designed to improve the performance skills of IT organizations. It has many courses to improve the skills of top IT company employees like Microsoft and Amazon. It is a certified Microsoft Gold Learning Partner. It uses AI-based IT learning and development platform with 500 self-paced courses. They have many college-accredited courses and provides course completion certificates. It gives instructor mentoring and discussions with the instructor, unlike other learning platforms. QuickStart is available in 2 subscriptions. Namely, Learn Subscription and Master Subscription. Number 7, Lynda. Lynda is yet another renowned educational platform that offers free and paid courses that develop technical skills. Most courses on Lynda aims to improve your employability skills and make you more advanced in your field of interest. Just like many other sites, Lynda also teaches different courses in the form of videos. You can learn computer programming, audio engineering, software proficiency, and many other skills that will help you grow in the office. Number 8 inches Udacity. Udacity is another alternative to Udemy that has only a handful of courses to offer. When compared to Udemy, Udacity is a much smaller and simpler site with less amount of study material. Udacity has partnered with leading tech giants like Google and Facebook to prepare courses for learners. You can start as a beginner and take up courses that have fewer technicalities and then slowly move towards the more complex classes. This way you will get a complete understanding of the entire area of your interest. Through Udacity, you can discover the fastest and effective way to achieve greater heights in your career. Number 9. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a non-profit e-learning portal that aims to provide excellent lectures on different topics via YouTube videos. There are other practice exercises and additional study material available for all its users. The company was founded by Salman Khan, and has huge popularity around the world. Moreover, all the content is available in different languages including English, Hindi, Spanish, and more. This platform is useful for both students and teachers as well. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.